In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sticky notes to a Miro board. Whether you're working on a collaborative project or brainstorming ideas alone, sticky notes can be a vital tool for organizing your thoughts and ideas. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your Miro board. If you're already familiar with Miro, you know how versatile this digital whiteboard can be for team collaboration and idea presentation. Once you have your board open, take a moment to look at the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to make your Miro board truly interactive and engaging. Now, what you're looking for here is the sticky note icon. It's a staple in Miro and easy to spot among the other handy tools. Once you find this icon, go ahead and click on it. You'll notice that a variety of color options will appear. This is your chance to bring some vibrancy to your board, so feel free to select a color that suits your theme or simply excites you. Once you've made your choice, click on the diagram where you'd like your sticky note to appear. After placing your sticky note, you might find that the default size isn't quite what you need. That's no problem at all. You can easily resize the sticky note by clicking on the corner and dragging it to your desired size. This flexibility allows you to make sure everything fits just right on your board, without overcrowding other elements or leaving too much empty space. Now that you have a perfectly sized sticky note, it's time to add some text. Click inside the sticky note and start typing out your ideas or notes. Keep in mind the importance of clarity when writing out your thoughts. If needed, you can adjust the font and size of the text to make it more legible or to fit more content. Simply highlight the text and explore the font options until you find one that matches your style and makes everything readable at a glance. And that's it. You've now successfully added a sticky note to your Miro board. By following these steps, you can create a structured and visually appealing display of information, which will enhance both personal and team productivity. Remember, the more you practice using Miro, the more comfortable you'll become with its features, leading to better outcomes for your projects. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're excited to integrate sticky notes into your Miro board workflow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Miro and other digital tools effectively. See you in the next video.